Don't you have a garden to grow fresh vegetables at your home? Well, now you don't have to worry because you can grow fresh vegetables in your home, even if you don't have a garden. But how is that possible? Well, why not turn your house wall into a garden and have a lush vertical garden? But what do you have to do for that? What will you need to finally grow vegetables in your wall garden? Welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. The Mechanicals brings you engineering marvels and little-known farming techniques that are revolutionizing the world in one way or the other. If you are new to the channel but enjoy learning about how technology and innovation are shaping the world's future, you will love to watch the videos we post on this channel. In this video, we will tell you how you can grow vegetables in your house wall in simple steps. Let's get started. Usually, you can grow all types of vegetables if you have a little garden in your home. However, if you don't have one, you can easily make a special one for yourself. Therefore, we will simply show you the technique and you can grow any vegetable you want. You can pick any seed and repeat the same process as we will show you in the video. To show you how it works, we will use green leafy vegetables as the standard one. So the first step is to sow the seeds. If you want to grow vegetables that have seeds, you have to take some seeds and sow into the soil in a plastic container. This has to be done so the seed sprouts and germinates into a little seedling. Once it becomes a little plant, it will be replanted into the pots on the wall. But first, they should be sown. Therefore, take a large plastic container and put some soil and rice husk into it. You can sow any seed you want, as we told above. However, just for experiment, you can stick with the leafy green vegetables for now. Once you have sprinkled the seeds, water the soil and let the seeds sprout. While they germinate, you should move to the next step, which is actually preparing the wall garden. To make the process easy, you can simply use plastic bottles for this next step. Take 10 to 20 bottles and cut them half using a knife. Once you have done this, make a hole into the cap of the bottle. The reason why we are doing this is so that the growing roots can come out of this hole and absorb the water present in the lower bottle part. You should also make some holes on the upper half of the bottle you cut. This is done so when the soil is put into it, it could get enough air and be porous. Now, take flat wooden sticks which you will lay against the wall to make a wall garden. Take the lower part of the bottle you had cut and attach it with the stick using a nut. Once you have done this, put the upper half of the bottle upside down into the lower half. Perhaps now you can see what we are trying to make. Attach about 4 to 5 bottles to each wooden stick and lay them against the wall. Depending upon the area of the wall you want to cover, you can change the number of sticks. To ensure that the sticks stay in place against the wall, you can make a rough frame. For that, you can fix 2 pillars at the ends and attach a horizontal stick at the top. Now, fix the sticks with bottles to the stick at the top of the frame. Now, mix soil with rice husk and put it into the bottles we had attached. But before you do this, loosen the bottle cap a bit so that the extra water from the soil could seep out of the bottle. Fill each bottle with soil. Note that you have to only fill the cap part of the bottle, not the lower one. Now it's time for replantation into the wall garden. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos where we unveil breathtaking engineering and farming techniques. Let's continue now. After about 7 days since you had sown the seeds, you will see little plants growing into the plastic containers. It's the best time you plant them into the bottles we made. Carefully, take out every plant and put it in each bottle. Now water the plant and let them grow. To ensure that the plants get sufficient water, you can simply take the upper bottle part out and put some water into the lower bottle part. As the plants grow, their roots will come out of the holes of the upper bottle part. Hence, they would absorb the water easily from the lower bottle. Then starts the growth phase. After about 10 days since replantation, the plants will grow in size. You will see green leaves coming out of the soil, which represents optimum growth of the plants. However, they need more time to grow in size and become large enough to be harvested. Yes, since we had planted green leafy vegetables, large-sized leaves will be our final product. After about 20 days since replantation, you will start seeing a bunch of leaves on each plant. But still, you cannot use these leaves to make salad because they have not grown to their full size. But after 30 days, your wall will present a picture of a unique ascending garden eating the wall. At that point, the plant roots will start to come out of the holes and absorb water from the lower bottle. From a distance, your wall will look like a garden growing on the wall, using it as a land. After a few days, the harvest period will start. The leaves that have grown in size should be harvested. However, you should be careful not to cut the main growing leaves present at the center. Only harvest the leaves while letting the central part grow and bring more leaves in every 10 days. Therefore, you can harvest leaves every week while the central part will grow. You can cut the leaves from every plant, leaving just the small central part. Amazingly, this will grow again like a little plant and bring more leaves whenever you will need it. You can use these leaves to make salad and have an iron-rich diet. But what more can you grow on this wall garden? Growth of these green leafy vegetables proves that you can grow any vegetable you want in the wall garden. However, for every vegetable, you should be using different sized containers. Since we grew leaves, small containers or bottles were used. However, if you want to grow onions, carrots, tomato, potato, or any other vegetable, you will need bigger sized containers. And since you will use big containers, you will need stronger sticks to attach the containers. You can simply make a frame as we made in the video, but a much stronger one to hold weight according to the vegetable you want to grow. Growing vegetables along the wall is effective as all the plants can get enough sunlight as they are vertical to each other. Even this technique can save you space and can be helpful if you don't want the plants to cover large space. Another interesting idea will be to grow different vegetables on different walls of your home. You can create a sort of kitchen garden of your own, but the one not on your terrace or garden but on your wall. Every day you can pick fresh vegetables from these walled gardens without worrying about running out of the supply. Did you know this amazing yet simple technique? Would you like to increase the size of the containers on the wall to grow bigger vegetables? Let us know in the comment section right below. Would you try this technique and have fresh vegetables even if you don't have a garden? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video, and subscribe to get more videos on technological feats and farming advancements that are changing the world. Until the next video, stay tuned.